Simon, most people know you for industrial vending, but maybe not the retail. So how does this work?
Yeah, so the retail side, we got involved around 3 years ago. Where it came from was one of the retailers approached us about a meal deal machine. And what they wanted to do was store the items individually. Through the software, you could select the different products and we would group that together. We saw that as a kit through the industrial route, but the retailers hadn't seen that workflow before. So we set around creating the software. It had to be a more visual concept, larger touch screens and more information, so we can show nutritional information and guidelines for the nutrition. And what we had to do was present it in an intuitive way. So that's how we created it. It's got the payment system on there. So the benefit now is we can accept payments or concessions, or we can run it just as an industrial employee route. When you look at the graphics, we actually give different categories. So you can build your meal deal, you can add the item to your basket, and what it will do is it will actually build the basket up as you go through.
Yeah, what's the accessibility in the corner?
So the accessibility is so that if you're in a wheelchair, you can still reach the screen. So we have to put that in for retail customers. And if you flip it, it'll go back to the full height.
Most people watching this video will think this is going to be in a supermarket, but I know you've got a lot of these in engineering companies.
Yeah, there's engineering companies that are using these as a replacement for the canteen. But they're becoming commonplace as well with shopping centres, hospitals, and a number of different outlets where you just want that food offering.
So what happens if I don't like sandwiches?
So we've got development at the moment where we've got a machine with a microwave built into it. So things like ready meals, so pastas or whichever, you can get a hot meal from the machine.
That's the beauty of vending, whether it's a tool or a sandwich, it's all the same thing to the machine.
Entirely. One of the huge benefits we've got is the remote connection. So all of the machines give live data to the website, and that was another benefit that not only the industrial customers benefit from, but the retailers. They haven't had that live feedback, but also being able to control the machine remotely too.